So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Chemistry exam revision series, we have here these 9 questions to answer on the topic electrolysis. So guys, this video will be all about corrosion under this topic. So we are going to start quickly with the first question here, and it says the condition required for corrosion to take place is the presence of A, oxygen and carbon dioxide, B, water and carbon dioxide and oxygen, C, water and oxygen, D, water and carbon dioxide. So guys, the answer to this question is option C, water and oxygen. Water and oxygen are actually the condition required for corrosion to take place. So let's consider the next question. Question number 2, it says, what is vulcanization? A, the process of converting a liquid into a gas. B, the process of converting a solid into a liquid. C, the process of treating rubber with sulfur to improve its properties. D, the process of converting a gas into a solid. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. Vulcanization is actually the process of treating rubber with sulfur and heat or other chemicals to improve its mechanical properties such as elasticity, strength, and resistance to temperature, and so on. So guys, that's the answer to this question. That's option C here. So let's consider the next question. Question number 3, it says, in the removal of rust from iron, what reaction is involved if it's treated with sulfuric acid? A, acid-base reaction. B, dehydration of rust. C, hydrolysis of rust. D, oxidation of rust. So guys, when rust, which is iron 3 oxide, is treated with sulfuric acid, the reaction that actually occurs here is the acid-base reaction. So the iron 3 oxide reacts with the acid to form iron 3 sulfate and water. This process is known as acid treatment of rust. So guys, let's consider the next question. Question number 4 here, it says, when iron is exposed to moist air, it gradually rusts. This is due to the formation of A, hydrated iron 2 oxide, B, anhydrous iron 3 oxide, C, hydrated iron 3 oxide, and D, anhydrous iron 2 oxide. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, and that's hydrated iron 3 oxide. When iron is exposed to moist air, it gradually rusts. This is due to the formation of hydrated iron 3 oxide. So let's consider the next question, guys. That's question number 5. It says, the process of rusting is an example of the formation of A, acidic oxide, B, basic oxide, C, reducing oxide, D, amphoteric oxide. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here, and that's acidic oxide. So rusting is the corrosion of iron or steel due to exposure to oxygen and moisture in the air. So this will result in the formation of an iron oxide. So that's usually iron 3 oxide, and this is an example of an acidic oxide. So let's consider the next question, guys. Question number 6, it says, the reddish brown rust on iron roofing sheets consists of A, Fe2O3 3H2O, B, Fe H2O6, so C, FeO H2O, and D, Fe3O4 2H2O. So guys, the answer to this question will be Fe2O3 3H2O, and that's hydrated iron 3 oxide. So this is basically iron 3 oxide trihydrate. So it's a hydrated iron 3 oxide, and this is the compound that is formed in the rusts that we find in corrugated roofing sheets. So guys, that's it for that question. This compound actually forms when iron reacts with oxygen in the presence of water or moisture. So let's consider the next question, guys. Question number 7. It says iron can be protected from corrosion by coating the surface with A, zinc, B, silver, C, gold, D, copper. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here, and that's zinc. Iron is protected from rusting by using a metal that is higher than it in the electrochemical series to coat it. So zinc is an example of this metal that can be used in this process, and this process is known as galvanization. So let's consider the next question. Question number 8 here. It says, in an electrolytic setup to protect iron from corrosion, the iron is A, initially coated with tin, B, used with a metal of lower electropositive potential, C, made with the anode, D, made with the cathode. So guys, option C and D here should be made the anode and made the cathode. So guys, actually the iron should be made the cathode because it's supposed to be reacted with a metal that is more electropositive. That's a metal that has higher electropositivity, like the magnesium or the zinc. So guys, in this situation, this is a cathodic reaction actually. So in this situation, the metal used here has a more electropositive potential than this iron, and in that case option D should be the answer to this question, and that's made the cathode. The iron is supposed to be made the cathode, and then while you have an electropositive metal that should react with the iron used for protecting the iron, such as the zinc or the magnesium. So that's it for that question, guys. Let's check out the next and the last question. That's question number 9. It says iron galvanized with zinc is cathodically protected from corrosion. This is because A, zinc has less positive oxidation potential than iron. B, zinc has a more positive oxidation potential than iron. C, zinc is harder than iron. D, both have the same oxidation potential. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here. Zinc has a more positive oxidation potential than iron. Zinc is more readily oxidized than iron because zinc has a lower reducing potential. Since zinc has a lower reducing potential, it's more active metal. So thus, this zinc will be more readily oxidized before the iron. So that's it for that question. So this is where we end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. We also want to encourage you guys to join our YouTube channel membership by clicking on the join button below, guys, in order for you to gain access to all the information we have for you on JAMB updates. This will help you a lot, guys, as you prepare for your JAMB examination. So thank you for watching this video and see you on the next one.